Hi everyone, it is Jan here from Jan C Art. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining me. I'm working on a 50 by 70 centimeter canvas. The base coat is a concoction of an old Pearl Extreme mix that I had that exploded, so I couldn't use it. So that was a mix of Artist Loft White with Deco Art satin enamel, but way too much satin enamel. So I had left that in a cup and decided, okay, let me just gonna mix that with some Amsterdam White, and then I added, just to break the white in it, I wanted to do it in more like an eggshell. So I have this Modern Masters oyster that my good friend Taniva sent to me last year. Thanks so much, Taniva. Next paint is the Deco Art Metallics 24 karat gold. Next one is Amsterdam, and it is Permanent Blue Violet. And then we have an Amsterdam Ultramarine Violet. This one, you can see, sorry, I took the stirring sticks out. I'm not going to put one in again. Then I'll just have to clean it. But this is TLP's Violet Rain. Very excited to use this one. Billy, thank you Billy, gave me a bag on release day last year in Texas because she saw I was wearing a Prince t-shirt. And I know for a fact that they were actually thinking about calling this Purple Rain, but copyright, you know? So it's Violet Rain, but that's very dear to me. First time I'm using it, so that's going to be exciting. Then we have a iridescent green yellow from Pabeo Studio. Then we have a cheap paint from Denmark, actually, Søstrene Grene Mitis green, and a German paint, Goya, Solo Goya, in dark green. The Mitis is darker, but who cares? Anyway, let's get started. I'm gonna layer a cup. I'm gonna start with a little white. And then I wanna add some gold. I've left the gold thick as ceramic does. So I'm not layering that, I'm just sprinkling it over.
Photograph of us without cares and worn out clothes. Doesn't seem so.
I'm gonna start from up high. I'm just gonna turn the paints, I guess, and then I'm gonna go lower so that we can get the fingerlings and the galaxy part of the pour. So let's start it.
I can't remember where we headed that night. We were cruising around town in Memphis, running the lights. I just know how it felt. I won't forget that. Windows down and open top. But we were clever not to take it too far, though it's hard not getting tempted. Calling you up to see how you've been, 'cause don't I miss you and all those things we did back then. Since last time, where'd you go? What's the score? Did you find what you were looking for? I never see you anymore. I can't remember what we did that day. We were blowing off steam in Paris, but I wanted to stay 'cause I know how it felt when we raised hell. I won't forget that. Clever not to take it too far, though it's hard not getting tempted. Calling you up to see how you've been, 'cause
So, wet results. I don't know. It's not my best work, I think. Let's see how it dries. It could be that it surprises. There are definitely some pearls showing up, and I have a feeling that they're gonna spread a lot more. But you can especially see them up here, over here, and along the side here. So I'm hoping that that will save it. We'll see. Could be the direction, I don't know. I can't really walk around it here, so I can't really show it to you from one side. I can show it to you from this side. Yeah, I don't think so. Possibly this side. Anyway, I like the lines. The lines are very defined. This actually could turn out to dry really interesting. We'll just have to see. Definitely not, does not look like anything I've ever done before. Let's put it like that. But I mean, these are pretty cool, if you ask me. So, who knows? We'll give it a chance to dry and then see.
If you're in, meet me here tonight. Be brave and come along. I'll be alright. Promise we don't need no brake lights. We can travel the world, so just say yes. Choose to do whatever comes next. This or that, getting drunk on whiskey on a Tuesday night, or drinking red wine by an open fire, make love or fight. This or that, this or that, evenings on the train or catch a morning flight, enjoying dinner until midnight, or bed by night. This or I wanna see it all. Find the northern lights, see the stars in the open wild, catch a glimpse of Panama. We don't need a map, I'll let you know when we've arrived, yeah. We can travel the world, so just say yes. Choose to do whatever comes next. This or that, getting drunk on whiskey on a Tuesday night, or drinking red.
So I've just been playing with high flow goldens like this, just to see what happened when you just splattered it on. So that's interesting. I might actually want to do something like that, but I'm gonna try a new painting tomorrow, I think, because it really did not do what I wanted. You do not see the violet rain in here. There is some shimmer, and this is all wet right now, so but yeah, how silly is this?
Whiskey on a Tuesday night, or drinking red wine by an open fire, make love or fight.